How to fix TikTok login errors. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok. Click on the option of login. Now select the login option. Facebook, Apple, Google, Twitter, Instagram, or you can directly enter your phone, email, username, and the password to log into your TikTok account. Make sure you choose any of the options that you have used to create your account. Now type in your phone, email, or username, and then the password. Ensure your credentials are correct, and then try to log in. With that, your problem might be resolved. Now heading towards next solution, update the TikTok app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app TikTok. After app appears, you might find the option of update over here. You have to click on that, and with that, the app will be updated. Then you can check whether your problem has been fixed or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. Completely uninstall this app and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the app, click on remove app, click on delete app. Once you delete the app, head towards your Play Store or App Store, search for the app TikTok and download it. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix TikTok login errors. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.